May is Mental Health Awareness Month. Each year, millions of people are affected by mental illness. Mamie Ba asked the National Alliance on Mental Illness about that and about how social media is playing a role.
1 in 5 adults are diagnosed with a mental health condition, and we can probably say it's probably higher than that.
Why do people hesitate to seek therapy?
It may be a stigma to where thinking therapy is you like laying on someone's couch and someone's going to fix you.
Sometimes it's like access. You know, people don't have transportation, and then there's other times where there are long waiting lists.
I think overall mental health carries a stigma because mental health is an illness that people can't see.
Every part of us matters, and so when we don't make our mental health something different than our physical health, then we can realize that we need those supportive services.
How does social media help or hurt the mental health system?
There is a lot of conversation now about mental health.
Especially with the upcoming generation, they are a lot more open with talking about their mental health, talking about their feelings, because it's hard to talk about feelings in the first place.
The flip side of that is that now that so many people have opportunity to talk about mental health, some things are not so clinically proven.
So many people are able to cosplay as something they are not. How can you tell someone is actually a therapist?
Credentialing, so asking them for their credentials, doing some research, because you can look online, whether it's Psychology Today, to see if they're credentialed as a therapist in your area. A person who operates under a therapist or a therapist license, they're able to diagnose. They're also able to refer you to how to get medicine.
How can you differentiate life coach or therapist? How do you know which one you need?
I think if it's affecting your life to the point where it's not the same as your day-to-day, I think therapy is the route to go. However, life coaching is someone to help you through certain situations.
For immediate mental health support, you can dial or text 988 to reach the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. It's free, confidential, and available 24/7.